Last week, all the blockheads got in early and were locking in their real estate agents. But Bianca and Carla haven't committed yet because they've hatched a cunning plan. They want to use an agency that will work with one of Australia's hottest auctioneers, Damien Cooley.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's auction. Damien Cooley is my name.
He's done 10 block auctions, he's won 5 and made over $3.5 million for contestants.
When you talk about anybody and the block auctions, everyone always says Damien Cooley is the best.
Sold, sold, sold. Congratulations, well bought.
So I thought, why not organise a collaboration between an agent in Melbourne that is good in St Kilda with having Damien Cooley as the auctioneer?
Hi there. How are you going?
I'm Bianca.
I'm Peter.
The agency, Michael and Peter, have a really great working relationship with Damien Cooley already. So that was a bit of a tick at first.
But the girls aren't the only ones who've had their eyes on Damien Cooley. Sarah and Hayden have as well.
This is
What do you think?
incredible.
Welcome.
Wow. Top floor, penthouse.
Yep.
Do you like what we've done with it so far?
I think it's
I like the style.
Yeah.
Bianca and Carla's penthouse.
Yeah.
It wasn't the first apartment chosen.
No, this is the third. We got third choice and we got this pick.
We feel like we've been gifted we won the lottery with it.
Wow. You've got the perfect aspect
Yeah.
for here.
Top floor, amazing views. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
And our
Big
favourites
glimpses,
actually
yeah.
are the two palm trees.
Oh, yeah. It's an iconic building in one of the most iconic streets of Melbourne. Who wouldn't want to be a part of it? But to actually have the penthouse, that was an absolute must for us. And that was pretty much a non-negotiable for us. We wanted the best apartment and aligning ourselves with the best contestants. And I think we've ticked both those boxes.
So Hayden and Sarah's decision not to choose the penthouse has blown their chances of using Australia's best auctioneer.
We're a little confused, I think, with want of a better word, that I heard that they won the first challenge, didn't choose the penthouse, and that was the one thing that we said was an absolute must.
Penthouse? Why would ya?